are here today at the NWO NERA Energy Symposium, and today is all about promoting interdisciplinary research. The researchers are here to present their work, but also to discuss it with their colleagues from other disciplines. And therefore making these connections will increase the impact of their work for the energy transition.
What we see is that the quality of the research and the diversity is excellent. So there is a lot of very good science and very good information. Where I definitely also see a disconnect is how all this good information and insight is effectively used in policy and the market to accelerate implementation. The key thing is we need to speed up, we need to do things better, and also we need to solve multiple crises at the same time. And I think that requires that science and research comes very, very close to the implementation, that there is a direct link almost. And in the Netherlands we don't do that very well, but we want to work mission-oriented. The missions are we need to meet the climate targets, have a circular economy, become sustainable at large, and there is a timeline for that. We need to have these worlds together so that science can be adapted along the way, new questions can be asked along the way, and it works much more as one community. That's a big improvement potential.
Within the grand challenges for wind energy science, every major problem that we have to tackle has multiple disciplines involved. Whether it's traditional engineering disciplines of aerodynamics and structures, or whether we're looking at how do we actually design wind farms that interact well with the local environment and are accepted by local communities, where we have to engage with environmental scientists and social scientists. So if we're going to really deploy wind at a scale of 100 times what we have today, we need to solve these problems that involve so many different disciplines and work together as a scientific community.
Researchers can create impact by sharing their knowledge, by collaborations, by making new connections to accelerate the energy transition. NWO and NERA want to facilitate researchers and this community to further develop and help to accelerate the energy transition.
So I really enjoyed it a lot. I thought this keynote speaker with this interdisciplinary research institute I really thought was very great. And I very much liked also the connection with the regional community. So all the talks about this social participation, I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, today to me is a very nice day. It's my first conference as a PhD candidate. And it's very nice to see everyone do different disciplinary research and how that all comes together, which also inspires me to look into all those different fields and combine that in my own research.
I just started as a PhD, and this is just a session of inspiration for me. So I look at what all of the other researchers are working on, and I'm looking for the way that I can contribute something new to the field.
I'm standing here to present the NEON project. So NEON is about accelerating to zero emission. And we have 33 PhD students in very different domains, and we're trying to figure out how to collaborate on delivering on that. To connect with all the other projects, I'm trying to build bridges. All the 33 couldn't be here, so I'm here to build bridges for the PhD students and whatever is happening over here, because I think we only get there together.
So I had a really great day today, especially because actually it provided a more zoomed out view of the renewable energy transition. So not really focusing on one discipline, but really on multiple disciplines and how they interconnect with each other.
In the Netherlands we have very ambitious climate targets, and in order to reach these targets we need science, so we need to work together.
It's been a great day. I've already seen many connections being made and I already received the first positive feedback, so can't wait what next year will bring.